New Bitcoin ETFs see record daily flows as total BTC holdings rise to $3 billion. Invol equals Andrew Thurvala's SRC equals https://simg co/authors/977/responsive images /it media library original 300 JPEG class equals imfluid img circle loading equals auto Andrew Thurvala's img width equals 16 height equals 16 SRC equals https://cryptonews com/wp content/theme/cryptonews/images/post author icon. SVG class equals imfluid verified by Kashiar Abbasi last updated January 18, 2024 2:36 EST 1 min read. Img width equals 1200 height equals 800 SRC equals https://cryptonews com/wp content/upload/2023/12/1,701,405,551 spot Bitcoin F1. JPG class equals attachment post thumbnail size post thumbnail WP post image alt equals spot Bitcoin F decoding equals async SRC set equals https://cryptonews com/wp content/upload/2023/12/1,701,405,551 spot Bitcoin F1. JPG 1200 WA https://cryptonews com/wp content/upload/2023/12/1,701,405,551 spot Bitcoin F1 300x1200 JPG 300 WA https://cryptonews com/wp content/upload/2023/12/1,701,405,551 spot Bitcoin F1 1024x683 JPG 1924 WA https://cryptonews com/wp content/upload/2023/12/1,701,405,551 spot Bitcoin F1 768x512 JPG 768 with sizes equals max width 1200x100 WA 1200x/source. Adobe stock newly launched Bitcoin spot ETF saw their highest daily flows on their fourth day of trading, absorbing $913.6 million on Wednesday. The wave of capital brings assets under management for all such funds that began trading last week up to $2.9 billion. Both figures, provided by Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, exclude flows related to the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC, the largest and most highly traded of all Bitcoin ETFs. The fund merely converted into an ETF on January 11, having already accumulated over 600,000 BTC years in advance. Since converting, the fund has suffered consistent outflows as investors cash in on long-held BTC or rotate into newer, cheaper Bitcoin ETFs provided by BlackRock, Fidelity, and others. On Wednesday, Grayscale experienced $450.6 million in outflows, bringing its net outflows up to $1.6 billion since ETF conversion. Across the board, net flows to all ETFs have amounted to $1.2 billion. The first day of launch remains the number one day for Bitcoin ETF inflows when including GBTC's $625.8 million, though this includes seed capital, such as Bitwise's initial $200 million contribution. As Balchunas wrote to X on Thursday, ETFs have been making money from high-cost mutual funds for decades now. The nine gonna steal from more than GBTC too. Anything high-cost is vulnerable now. Flows from rival Bitcoin ETF, indeed similar Bitcoin, fund/investment products have suffered in the wake of the launch. The ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF BTO, the Bitcoin Futures ETF launched in October 2021, has seen its assets under management dwindle from $2.28 billion before the spot ETF approvals to $1.86 billion as of Tuesday. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy, the world's largest corporate holder of BTC, has plummeted 25% to $500 since last Thursday after rallying to almost $700 at the start of the year. Bitcoin mining firms like CleanSpark CLSK have also suffered corrections of over 30%. Bitcoin itself has fallen roughly 11% to $41,250 since last week. In fact, shares of the newly launched ETFs, like the iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT, are yet to register a single day in the green. Coinbase Coin, which serves as Bitcoin custodian for most of the ETF providers, has also fallen 19% year to date.